Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones Logitech G735 with using your iOS device. So basically you have only one option how to check it, is to create a widget. So just press and hold at empty space, then click edit or plus at the left top, then add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, I guess that's okay for me, and then click add widget. And you can check it here. Of course, don't forget to turn on your headset. And now it's just connecting, so we see it at this widget list. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!